Want to learn C programming with hands-on practice, quizzes and lab programs? You're in the right place. In this beginner-friendly course for C programming, you'll master the fundamentals of C. From variables and data types to pointers, structures, functions, recursion and dynamic memory allocation, we'll cover everything that is under the roof that might come in your curriculum. Each topic is explained with examples, practice problems, try it out sections and quizzes so that you understand these concepts clearly and those are concreted in your mind. It's perfect for first year students or anyone starting from scratch. By the end of this course, you'll be able to confidently write programs, understand and debug the C programming code. You'll get a lifetime access to all the lectures in this course, downloadable resources, quiz, and I'll be there to help you out whenever you're stuck with the Q&A part and also the direct messaging option. And most importantly, you'll get a certification too once you complete this course. So if you're ready to master C programming with a fun and practical approach, enroll now. Let's get started. All the best. See you in the lectures.